right, so every once in a while, you do something dumb in the garden, and you just have to really figure out how you're going to fix it. Well, and if you say you don't, you are full of malarkey. Everybody's just too proud to admit it. Well, guess what? I did something super dumb today. Well, actually, I did it the other day, and I've been being lazy and avoiding it, so that did not work at all the way I wanted it to. Oh, that did. Nice. But today we're gonna fix it because my lovely wife assistant is available to assist me. So we got a lot going on tonight. So tonight I have to make a sift because, like a goober, I wasn't thinking, dumped a bucket of my luffa seeds in the trash. Oh, come on. Come out of there. Now we're cooking. So we're going to make a sift, and a big one, because I also need it for seed starting. I've been doing some seed starting projects through the winter time to see if I can produce bigger seedlings by spring. Like when they tie these, they meant it. Like they were like, no, you don't need it. You don't need it, bro. Like I'm making it way worse than it needs to be. Let's just do this. Oh. Hey. What is going on here? Ha, take that. This is going to come loose and whack me in the face. I can just feel it. Like Phil Collins. There we go. That looked like a good spot for that. Alright, now how does that wrap back in there? Wonder if I can clip this one without getting popped in the mouth. Okay. Now we're speaking my language. This is why she gets mad at me. I like to live dangerously. Oh, okay, that's fun. Alright. Alright, so to make a good sift, you're going to need some 1/4-inch mesh. We're not going anything real freaking crazy here. A lovely tape measure, a saw, some boards, some screws. Pretty legit. So we're going to say that's 41 inches, 42 for fun's sake. What did I get that with that? 2 foot? Come on, show me the money. Oh, yeah. All right, so that's 2 foot. So these should be 8-footers. So we're going to measure them because I don't believe them. Oh, just a little over 8 foot. So 2 foot, 2 foot. Be 4 foot. That would leave me a 4 foot section to go across. So I'd have to have another one and cut it at 4 foot to cover the entirety of this. Nice. If I did 2 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot squares. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. That'd be a pretty good square. So after you cut an 8-foot 2x4 into 2x2 sections, it's a pretty good size sifter. I mean, if you need one bigger, go for it. But in our case, we don't need anything that big. Then we're going to grab our trusty drill because it's awesome. We're going to try to get everything as square as possible, but this is for effectiveness, not for looks. So if she's not the most beautiful thing, it's okay. Functionality is what I'm after. Oh yeah. That's perfect. I like it. All right, there's our box. Let's see here. So I can find the staples, but I can't find the staple gun. And when I can find the staple gun, I can't ever find my staples. Hashtag organized chaos. All right. Oh yeah. So then you pick out which staple gun you want to use. The bad mamma jamma. Oh baby. What is in there? boy. All right, wait, what? What about you? Oh, nope, that was Brad's. We don't want Brad's. Get rid of that. Roll this out. Of course, it's going to be a little bit more entertaining. Don't want that one. Staple down a corner. Come over. Pull the other side down. We're going to have a little overhang. I should have done 3-foot boards like I was going to. That's all right. That's about beautiful. Staple them down. Ooh, we're being fancy now. All right. All right, now we're cooking with peanut oil. One more side. Beautiful. This part's gonna suck, but you gotta cut her down to size. Probably get better snips. Definitely get better snips. Yeah, those are hot garbage. Find the proper tools. Oh yeah. Don't need that. Alrighty then. Whoop. Nah, I'm just kidding. It goes like this. Alright, so we definitely don't need any of this plastic or the boxes from the failed seed starter video. Oh yeah, that is disgusting. Alright. See if I can get my luffa seeds back now. That already looks like an epic fail because I can see the seeds in the bottom. Yep, that didn't work. Awesome. Well, we got a sift. We just don't have no seeds. So, I mean, technically... Is that a big-ass spider? Oh! The hell? So, I mean, technically, I'm going to be planting all the luffa seeds there. So, awesome.